Picture this. You have your very own AI-powered online school, where AI teachers take care of everything for you. They teach math, science, and languages, and even run interactive live classes, all without you having to lift a finger. How cool is that? It seems futuristic, doesn't it? But guess what? The future has already arrived. Check out AI Live School Builder. It's the world's first app that lets you create brand new AI Live schools with everything ready to go. You get AI Live teachers, a bunch of subjects, and classes in core areas like math, physics, chemistry, and way more. It's pretty awesome. Here's your big chance to dive into the $400 billion learning scene and start making some cash with AI-driven education. Check out these awesome features. This groundbreaking AI app can whip up AI Live schools in any language in under 60 seconds. Core subjects. Dive into math, physics, biology, chemistry, history, geography, English, economics, and political science. Tech and coding. Get your geek on with computer science, AI and machine learning, web development, Python, and JavaScript. Creative and skills-based learning. Unleash your creativity with art, music, graphic design, photography, and video editing. Language and communication. Master languages like English, Spanish, French, plus German to Mandarin. Business and finance. Learn the ropes of marketing and entrepreneurship, or get savvy with stock trading and crypto investing. Health and wellness. Explore psychology or find your zen through yoga and meditation. Plus, over 20 subjects taught by AI Live teachers covering everything from academics to wellness. Live classes that are interactive with real-time Q&A for all those burning questions. A handy student management system to track progress and hand out certificates like a pro. Monetize your school easily through subscriptions or one-time payments. And don't forget the instant help from AI-powered Q&A for personalized tutoring sessions. It's all about making learning fun and accessible. Kickstart your own AI Live school in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log into the AI Live School Builder dashboard. Step 2. Pick your subject and select from a variety of AI Live teachers across different subjects. Step 3. Launch your very own AI Live school and start reaping the benefits. The future of education is just a click away. Join AI Live School Builder today and see your dream school come to life without any fuss. Check out the link below to watch AI Live School Builder in action now.